Sometimes life shows us moments that truly shake our hearts. One day we went to a truck parking area where people were busy with their daily work. Some trucks standing still and some moving in and out. In the middle of all that noise and activity, our eyes caught sight of a dog that instantly filled our hearts with sadness. This dog looked disabled, broken, as if life had put him through too many struggles. I gently tried to call him, but he did not come to me. There was fear in his eyes, a kind of deep mistrust that said he no longer believed in humans. Maybe someone had deceived him before. Maybe someone had beaten him badly. While I was trying to approach him, suddenly I saw a familiar face. The same black dog he had fed milk to in our previous video. He recognized us and started coming closer step by step as if he remembered the care he had received earlier. At that moment, I felt how precious trust is, how difficult it is to build, and how easily it can be broken. Even though I had already given him milk earlier and had footage stored, my heart told me that their hunger and thirst cannot wait. So I decided to feed them again. I opened the milk and started pouring it one by one for each dog. And in just a few seconds, dogs began to gather around me, some looking directly into my eyes, some patiently waiting as if all of them were silently hoping for their turn. My eyes searched for that disabled dog again. He was sitting far away, frightened, trembling. I tried to go near him with the bowl of milk, but as soon as I stepped closer, he backed away. His eyes were shaking, his body shivering, and it was so clear that he had been hurt before. Maybe tricked, maybe beaten. My heart sank because he was hungry but too scared to come near. I still tried again, calling him softly, showing him my hand, but he kept retreating until suddenly he ran under the parked trucks and disappeared. I wished so badly to feed him, but he was gone, leaving me with the hope that one day he might return with trust. While I stood there thinking about him, I noticed another dog who had not been given any milk yet. The others had already eaten, but this one stood quietly, simply waiting. His eyes were filled with patience and hope. I placed the milk and bread in front of him, and as soon as he began to eat, I sat down beside him. He would lie down, then get up, then sit again, his movements full of innocence and gratitude. I started stroking him gently, and as I did, he drew even closer to me, as if telling me, I trust you. Those few minutes felt so pure, as if I was communicating with a heart that needed nothing but kindness. Meanwhile, the other dogs sat around, watching quietly, maybe expecting a little more, but the milk was limited. In the end, there was just a small amount of milk and a piece of bread left, so I decided to give it to the black dog who had already drunk before because he kept coming back as if to show his loyalty and affection. I handed it to him and he gladly accepted. Time passed and finally we had to leave, yet my heart felt heavy. On one hand, I was happy that many dogs ate and drank peacefully, but on the other hand, I could not forget that disabled dog. hiding under the trucks. I wished he had taken just one sip of milk. Wished he could have believed that not every human wants to hurt him. These moments remind us that animals have hearts too. They feel pain, they remember betrayal, but above all, they long for love and trust. Sadly, it is often humans who hurt them the most, throwing stones, chasing them away, or leaving them hungry. But the truth is, even a small act of kindness, a bowl of milk, a piece of bread, or a few minutes of affection can change their world. It is our responsibility to treat them with the respect and care they deserve. Humanity is not only about serving humans, it is also about showing compassion to these voiceless souls. If every person cared for even one animal, no dog would sleep hungry, no cat would die thirsty. So, my friends, if you felt something while watching this video, please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can be part of more such stories. Follow our Facebook page for daily updates and join us on TikTok to stay closer to these moments of compassion. Your one subscribe, one share can help this message reach thousands of people. Together we can create a society where no animals has to suffer alone, where no innocent life has to hide in fear, and where love and kindness are stronger than cruelty. Thank you everyone for watching my complete video. Thank you.